Hey, thanks for watching. I'm gonna get straight to it, show you guys how I remove a shrub in real time. It took me less than 3 minutes to actually get this shrub removed. And the first thing I do is I actually cut around the very base of it. And I'm cutting in a circle, guys. I'm trying to cut every root on this shrub from being rooted for the most part. I'm cutting around in a circle and I'm putting it blade down pretty deep. Every time you see me pushing the front of the reciprocating saw towards my body and pushing it deep down in the dirt, I'm trying to make sure it's down deep enough to cut the roots from the shrub so it's loosening it up. And I do this for a full circle around the whole shrub. I used to use a Hart battery powered one. The issue was it kept running out of battery. As soon as you put a lot of pressure on something that's battery operated, it seemed like the battery starts to drain a little bit faster. Same thing with electrical mowers, etc. But that's another rabbit hole. But I just wanted to show you guys how I remove this without using a shovel, without hooking it up to my truck. This really just requires, I use a 9-inch blade, and I'll also use a 6-inch blade. I look for something less than 6 TPI. That's the blade width, the blade cut. And that's usually what helps me get these shrubs out fairly fast. Now you guys can see me working on the back side over there, and you can see the shrub. It's looked like it's already getting pretty fragile where it's moving around. So I like to test and see if I can actually remove it out. But sure enough, it's still rooted. It's a root in there somewhere, so I gotta keep on going. I'm almost there. It's pretty loose. As you guys can see, a lot of the shrub is already up. And sometimes I can look right under to see where it's attached at and cut right through it. And I believe that's what I did here. Now I'm just gonna pull around on it a little bit, and I believe I can get this thing pulled up. I think the cutting with the reciprocating saw has done its work. When it's this loose, you just gotta tug on it a little bit and it'll come right out of the ground. So I'm gonna tug on it and see if I can get it up. And that's all, folks. We got them out of the ground.